I just finished my last econ midterm. It was really hard per usual, but I really want to get some exercise, so I put on a swimsuit and a jacket, and I'm gonna go walk to the beach, see if I can get some steps in, and I might jump in the ocean if it's not too cold. We'll see. I just want to get out and move my body today since I haven't done any exercise, and I want to do it before dinner. So I'm gonna go down to the beach and catch some views for you guys. Let's go. They're so cute. And people are watching me. I wanted to take pictures because it's really pretty, and I have to do them on the self timer. This is my bikini. I love this bikini. Other than that, I always say that too. Other than that, blah. Other than that, this. Oh, there's more people looking at me. Great, I love it. Yay! Probably gonna walk back now and get some dinner with Caitlin because it is 5:30, so maybe I'll take a shower too because my hair is really salty. Yeah. I just took a shower and put on some makeup, changed my clothes, and I'm gonna go get breakfast with Caitlin. Gonna make sure I have some egg whites because I need protein after my workout. For the rest of the day, I think I'm just going to hang out, do some homework because it is officially dead week, so I need to start studying for my finals right before spring break. I'm so excited to go home. I haven't been home in so long. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you next time.